Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can transcribe any YouTube video you want in 5 minutes. It's called glasp and you can find it on the Chrome web store on Safari and you can just download it. You gotta download it to use it, and this program is an AI program that summarizes YouTube videos. You can also download it on any Microsoft store or just on the internet, depends on your device or computer. So for example, after you've downloaded it and you open YouTube and you click on a video or search that you want to summarize and transcribe, you'll see this. And when you click on this icon, you can see the text from the YouTube video. So everything he said here, and this is not from the ad, guys. This is just from this video right here. But when you click on this ChatGPT icon, it's gonna open a new tab. The Open AI is gonna pop up, as you can see. And I'm already logged in, but if you don't have an account, you gotta make an ChatGPT account on chat.openai.com. And after you've done that, it transcribes everything from the YouTube video in just a few seconds. And here you can see the 5 points of what it does. You also gotta make an account for Glasp to use it, and in just a few steps you can transcribe everything from the YouTube video you want with these two programs. So easy as that, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.